If you're dreaming of the perfect garden, start here with Easy Steps to Dream Gardens. Last week, I gave you an exclusive look at the build of this Patricia Tyrrell's plant lover's garden here at Bord Bia Bloom. Now that it's finished, well, it's time for the big reveal. And here are 5 ideas that I think you're going to want to steal from it for your own space, no matter how big or small. First up, go bold and really build on an idea. I love how this garden just doesn't hold back. It's the plant lover's garden, and it's really filled with plants with no patches of bare soil in sight. And the result, this lush, immersive garden that just absolutely surrounds you with gorgeous plants. Second, plant with purpose. This garden is buzzing. Literally, it is filled with pollinator-friendly planting, from geums to astrantias, nepetas and alliums. Every bloom here is pulling its weight. It's proof that in your own garden you can have both beauty and biodiversity working hand in hand. Just look at how many bees there are just right here. Really nice to see. Third, it's got to be structure. This garden doesn't just use hard landscaping for structure, it uses things like this, small trees and shrubs, this beautiful acer, the clipped holly behind me, or the hydrangea quercifolia. All of these anchor the planting and create lovely layers, perfect for adding shape, shade, and year-round interest into the garden. Fourth, don't underestimate the importance of just having a nice place to sit, a dedicated spot to stop, relax, and appreciate the garden. I love how Patricia has built seating into the side of the garden in a really solid way, but it's subtle, or a nice covered area. It gives you somewhere to sit when you want it, but at the same time, it doesn't detract from the garden or the planting. It allows you to sit in it and be part of it. And last of all, Patricia's suggestion is to get the garden and bring it right up to the house. Imagine that this structure is either your patio right next to the house or the house itself. Bring the garden right up to it and it makes it feel like the house is enveloped in the planting. Really love that idea, and that's something that I'm going to bring home and try for myself. Want to know more? Or even better, do you want to know how to recreate this incredible garden in your own home? All you have to do is search for Easy Steps to Dream Gardens, or instead head across to bordbiabloom.com/dream gardens. There are 7 brilliant downloadable designs from Bloom award-winning garden designers that will give you everything you need, and enjoy creating your own dream garden.